Có soy. Oh wow.
Đặt cái tên đó cho nó được Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, nó được
Shakote. Alright, this is my first time trying ko soy, okay? This is northern Thailand ko soy. People talk about this dish a lot. Hi everyone, welcome back to Silver Young Studio. Today we're on a road trip from Chiang Rai to Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. My friends and I have been debating about which region of Thailand has the best noodle soup, with most of them arguing that northern Thailand takes the crown. Let's find out. To put this claim to the test, I've decided to conduct a little experiment during our drive. Instead of relying on top-rated restaurant or recommendation, I'm going to keep an eye out for a random street restaurant along our route. The plan is to stop at one of these local stops and try their noodle dishes. This way, we can get an authentic taste of northern Thailand noodle soup and see if it lives up to my friend's high praise. We stopped at two places. The first restaurant looked promising, but sadly we were turned away because they ran out of noodles for the rest of the day, and they looked busy too. The second restaurant is this one, called Auton Noodle. I was a bit worried because no one was eating there. I mean, like, there was nobody there. We were the only customer there. Then I realized it's super hot outside. During this time of the year, there's not that many tourists, and the locals don't really come out to eat until sundown. So yeah, we were the only one there. It felt a little VIP-ish. I guess not many people want to eat noodles in this weather anyways, besides me. These are the top 3 recommended noodle soup for me to try: ko soy, Thai boat noodle, and tom yum noodle. We're about to eat some Thai boat, and we are right off the street of the freeway or highway going to Chiang Mai. We still got about a good chục đấy mà cha. Cho Chiang Mai. Một bị xả tiền đến Chiang Mai cho Chiang Mai tại sao? Got about an hour and a half into Chiang Mai, so this is halfway, and we're enjoying. We're gonna go come and eat some Thai boat, ko soy, some authentic food here. Có soy. Oh wow.
Đặt cái tên đó cho nó được Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, nó được
Shakote.
Can you see it?
Yeah, có soy.
Egg noodles.
Để từng chơi bò cay.
Chicken wings. Thế thì mà 有时你就不该，先嘛都得该。不要，靠水啊！有时候么 chicken leg 了不要，chicken leg。
nhưng đôi tuần chấp cái
Bá mai phóng.
但是专门一波。
cho tớ cái nó có hay à?
Của hai tên chơi bò cay.
Chicken leg nha.
Bạn đã chưa chicken leg.
Cái thớp sắp tím nha.
Con tí. That looks delicious. Good.
Đây là cho có phóng không?
Alright, this is my first time trying ko soy, okay? This is northern Thailand ko soy. People talk about this dish a lot. It's like kapong. Comes with chicken wing drum.
Không nhầm.
Đây này cùng đây lắm.
Không nhầm.
Tại nơi Tom yum. Got it? Oh, this looks good. This is Tom yum version of phở. This is good. One more time. Nice and spicy already. You don't need to put anything else in there. All right, so this is what I've been waiting for. Now, Thai bowl. Gì khá chấp là Thai bowl. Northern Thailand Thai bowl. Let's go for the broth first. Let's go for the broth. Delicious. I feel like everywhere I've gone in Thailand to try Thai bowl, there's never one that is disappointing me. I mean, like I like everything about these Thai bowl. Everybody make it slightly different, but it's very refreshing. Cheers. My favorite is with the big noodle. This noodle actually tastes really fresh. So, in Hmong we say very nice and fresh. You can taste the freshness.
Cho nó được bị gì hẻo, còn họ không ăn làm tốt hẻo.
Cho nó cú rồi là tốt quá.
This is bowl number 2. This is the tom yum. I'll show you guys. This is delicious. Northern Thailand style. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, in between. Very popular dish. Again, the 3 most recommended noodles that I tried today was kosoi, Thai boat noodle, and tom yum noodle. Kosoi, a special soup from northern Thailand, and it has egg noodles and a creamy yellow soup. There's also chicken legs, veggies, and crunchy dry noodles on top. Number 2 is the Thai boat. This comes in a small bowl and it tastes really big. I mean, like the taste is really, really flavorful. The soup is dark and sweet. It has rich noodles and meat. The reason why this is called Thai boat because originally it is served and sell on a floating boat. And the secret recipe is pork blood. Tom yum noodles. This soup is hot and sour. It is rice noodle, your choice of protein and mushroom. The soup tastes like lemongrass and spice. I gotta say this one was my favorite from this restaurant. The tom yum noodle is a must try too. I'm not saying northern soup are the best, but if you're in Thailand, you must try these 3 soup before you leave. Remember, eating local food is a great way to learn more about a place. Alright guys, that's it for our Northern Thailand noodle soup trip. But let us know in the comment if you have tried these dishes and which one was your favorite. Help us grow. Join us on our next adventure by subscribing and sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next adventure. Stay hungry and happy eating, my friends. Shinjidwa. North Kitchen number 2 is one of Fresno's top pho places in town. Walking in, you'll feel the burst of color and energy. Then you'll spot the famous fruity boba bar, tempting you with irresistible treats. Yeah, all kinds of treats. And then you gotta be careful because there's a robot that lives in there. North Kitchen is not just one of the top pho restaurants in town. They are loaded with variety of coffee, tea beverages, along with vermicelli noodles, hot pot, and authentic Vietnamese dishes. Like this dish here called Mi Huang, a rice flat yellow noodle soup with pork, shrimp, meatloaf, quail eggs, and vegetables. Up next is Mi Sao, a stir-fry egg noodle dish packed with veggies, beef, and seafood. And here comes the star of the show, the Vietnamese crab noodle soup, bun riêu. with crab meatball, tofu, and pork blood. If you're ever craving more than just pho, head over to No's Kitchen number 2 and tell them Silver sent you. Okay, 星期六 bye.